What's up, everyone? Today we are going on the most extreme adventure I have ever attempted. Not one, not two, not even 10. We are hitting 30 Himalayan wonders. I built a team, loaded up on gear, and mapped a route that pushes everything to the edge. This isn't just travel, it's a challenge across freezing temps, dizzying altitudes, and brutal terrain. We'll meet legendary Sherpas, see miles-long glaciers, and chase mysteries older than history. Buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride. Number 1. Mount Everest. At 29,032 feet, it is literally the highest point on Earth, straddling Nepal and Tibet. From Hillary and Tenzing in 1953 to countless triumphs and tragedies, Everest is legend, and Sherpas are its heart and soul. Even at base camp, the 360-degree colossus around you is unreal. Pure ambition meets raw nature. Number 2. Kanchenjunga. The 5 treasures of the Great Snow. Sacred to Nepal and Sikkim, climbers traditionally stop just shy of the true summit out of respect. Less crowded trails, ancient villages, and biodiversity off the charts. Snow leopards, red pandas, and pristine wilderness. Number 3. Nanda Devi, the bliss-giving goddess. A natural stone fortress guards a UNESCO-listed sanctuary, largely off-limits to protect its fragile perfection. From the outer edges, the twin summits radiate a power that feels untouched and timeless. Number 4. Makalu, a perfect four-sided pyramid, one of the most technical 8,000ers, isolated and imposing. In days you hike from subtropical jungle to high ice, a living ladder of ecosystems and wildlife. Number 5. Lhotse, Everest's neighbor and the world's 4th highest. Climbers share the route until Camp Phu, then split. Its south face, 10,000 feet of rock and ice, is legend. Only a handful have ever climbed it. Number 6. Cho Oyu, the so-called most accessible 8,000er. Still brutal, but a training ground for Everest. On the border of Nepal and Tibet, the vistas feel like the edge of the world. Number 7. Dhaulagiri, the dazzling white mountain, a 70-mile arc that casts a rain shadow turning Mustang into high desert. Split from Annapurna by Earth's deepest gorge, it's a place where scale crushes your sense of self. Number 9. Annapurna Massif. Annapurna I is the 10th tallest, but statistically the most dangerous 8,000er, with an infamous avalanche-prone south face. Yet the circuit is a dream trek. Terraces, rhododendrons, meadows, glaciers, the Thorong La, and Tibetan-like high deserts. Number 10. The Khumbu Glacier, the icy highway to Everest. The icefall's shifting towers and deep crevasses make it one of the climb's most dangerous stages. It groans, creaks, and changes by the hour. Sherpa expertise turns chaos into a passage. Number 11. Everest Base Camp, 17,598 feet, a global village of hope, fear, and focus after a week-long trek through the Khumbu. Seeing the icefall and Everest peeking beyond, unforgettable. Number 12. The Gokyo Lakes, among the world's highest freshwater lakes, glowing turquoise from glacial silt. From Gokyo-ri you see Everest, Lhotse, Makalu, and Cho Oyu in one 360-degree sweep. Mind-blowing. Number 13. Tengboche Monastery, the spiritual heart of the Khumbu, with perhaps the greatest monastery view on Earth. Rebuilt after quake and fire, it anchors Sherpa culture, daily prayers, and the vibrant Mani Rimdu festival. Number 14. Valley of Flowers. For a few monsoon months, thousands of alpine blossoms turn a high valley into living art. A real-life Eden of rare flora and elusive fauna like snow leopards and blue sheep. Number 15. Rup Kund, Skeleton Lake. When the ice melts, hundreds of ancient skeletons emerge, some from as far as the Mediterranean, spanning different eras. The leading theory: catastrophic hailstorms, centuries apart. A spooky, fascinating mystery. Number 16. Kedarnath, sacred to Shiva, perched at 11,755 feet. A 1,000-year sentinel that survived the 2013 floods as faith returned stronger than ever. Long treks, choppers, and devotion. This plateau breathes spiritual power. We're only halfway. From holy rivers to high lakes and deserts in the sky, the Himalaya keeps changing faces. Onward to more wonders, each more surprising than the last. Number 17. Badrinath, dedicated to Vishnu, open only half the year, its vivid colors glow against stark Garhwal peaks. Pilgrims bathe at Taptkund before darshan, healing waters in a temple town whose rhythm beats with the seasons. Number 18. Gangotri Glacier, birthplace of the Ganga. At Gaumukh, The river explodes from the Cow's Mouth ice cave. It's retreating fast. Climate change written in ice. Science, geology, and faith intersect here. Number 19. Yamunotri, the Yamuna's sacred source. A steep pilgrimage, boiling springs, and offerings cooked as prasad. The first stop of the Chota Chardam. Beauty and devotion braided together. Number 20. Pangong Cho, an 80-mile-high lake that shifts from azure to jade to red with the sun, set at 14,270 feet. A mood ring of the mountains, serene waters where the landscape is all edges. Number 21. Tso Moriri, smaller, harder to reach, more pristine, a sanctuary for migratory birds and the rare black-necked crane. Nomads and herds live in balance with the lake's hush, culture, and nature in harmony. Number 22. Nubra Valley, cross one of the world's highest roads into a desert framed by snow peaks. Silk Road camels stride below ancient Gompas, sand, snow, river, and spirit collide. Number 23. Spiti, Little Tibet, a high-altitude desert of monasteries, cliff roads, and some of the world's highest villages. Keys, Fortress, Silhouette, and Tabo's millennium-old murals keep time in painted light. Number 24. Zanskar, cut off by snow for months, its wild canyons roar in summer and freeze into the Chadar in winter. Walking a frozen river to a cave monastery. This is adventure laced with ancient faith. From sources of sacred rivers to deserts in the sky, the Himalaya is a continent of stories stacked into one range. 5 more to go. Each a showstopper, let's finish strong. Number 25. Hemis, Ladakh's richest and largest monastery, hidden in a gorge and alive with the Dragon Order's traditions. Its festival explodes in color. A massive thangka is revealed only once every 12 years. Number 26. Tiger's Nest, Bhutan's cliffside miracle. Legend says Guru Rinpoche flew here on a tigress and meditated for 3 years, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, and 3 hours. The approach is a pilgrimage, stairs, bridges, prayer flags, and then a hush of incense and bells. Number 27. Gurudongmar, 17,800 feet of impossible blue, holy to Buddhists and Sikhs. A small patch is said to never freeze. Thin air, restricted access, short stays, lifelong memories. Number 28. Yumthong, the Sikkim Valley of Flowers. In spring, rhododendron forests ignite into reds, pinks, purples, and whites along a river and hot springs. A burst of life and color at high altitude. Number 29. Mount Kailash and Lake Manasarovar, revered by Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bon as the spiritual center of the universe. No one climbs Kailash. The sacred act is circumambulation, 32 miles at high altitude to cleanse a lifetime of sin. Number 30. Siachen, longest Karakoram glacier and the world's highest battlefield since 1984. At altitudes up to 22,000 feet, more lives are claimed by cold and height than combat. May this fragile beauty see peace. 30 wonders. Peaks, glaciers, deserts, lakes, monasteries. Each more unbelievable than the last. From the top of the world to the highest battlefield, we pushed limits and found stories for a lifetime. The greatest wonder is the people, their resilience, kindness, and deep connection to the land. Thanks for coming on this massive adventure. Subscribe to MK Titan Travel. We're already planning the next crazy journey. Tell me in the comments which Himalayan wonder would you visit first? We saw skeleton lakes, gravity-defying monasteries, deserts in the sky, and jewel-toned waters. See you in the next video.